Oh, this one's so pretty, Kaya. It looks so beautiful. You should try it on.
Okay. How look?
You look just like Mama. How I look?
Look just like Daddy.
Hey, what y'all doing in here?
Nothing.
It look like y'all playing mama makeup.
No, we not.
Hey, I'm gonna tell mama y'all playing her makeup.
No, we'll do anything.
Anything?
Yeah, anything.
I'm gonna do y'all how y'all did me. Maybe put on mama wig and stuff. Alright, come on y'all. Hey, clean that makeup off you. I don't think they grown. That made me hurt them. Man, I'm thirsty. Make me some drink. I'm tripping. I forgot I got my little maid to do that for me. Malaysia! Rakaya, come here.
What?
Go get me something to drink.
But we only have water.
Man, you lying. We got some Pepsi in there too.
That's Mama Pepsi.
She ain't gonna know one missing. She got that many.
Yes, she is because one gonna be missing.
She ain't gonna know one was gone. Now go get me one before I tell mama y'all was in her makeup.
Okay, fine.
That's what I thought. Y'all better.
Hey, my babies, Mama's home.
IJ, what you do? Mama here.
Yeah, what you gonna do? She gonna catch you with the drink.
I ain't getting in trouble. You wanna know why?
Why?
She ain't gonna catch me with the drink because I'm not drinking it.
Who gonna be drinking it?
You is.
This ain't mine. You had this.
Hey, what y'all in here doing? And what you doing with my Pepsi? Rakaya, now you know better. I don't let y'all drink sodas.
I didn't drink this.
Well, who did?
I did it.
Now, Rakaya, don't you start this today. Now, give me my drink. And get on out of here. What you doing? You know I don't let y'all drink drinks. Here. This is what you can drink. Here. I got an endless supply of some water that will quench your thirst.
Man, I want water. I could have got it myself.
Oh, I'm so tired. And where's RJ? He's supposed to be here helping.
Man, I don't want to clean it up. Oh, I forgot. I got somebody else to do it for me.
RJ, what you doing? You know we're supposed to be cleaning up.
Yeah, because Mama gotta wake up because she gonna cook.
We gotta clean up. No, y'all gotta clean up.
This your mess. I ain't cleaning up after your overgrown self.
My mess. This y'all mess.
Nuh-uh.
Nuh-uh.
Mama!
Why you telling us? We didn't tell on you. You a Stitch.
Oh, let me get my butt on up. Time to cook my famous taco salad.
I know y'all ain't talking. I know what y'all made me do with the Becky wig.
Y'all ready for some taco? What? It's all this on this floor. Stuff is everywhere. Y'all supposed to be cleaning up.
But it ain't our mess.
It's RJ mess.
Baby, RJ is cleaning up. Y'all need to clean up right now.
But Mom.
5,
Mom, but Mom.
4,
But Mom, no.
3.
Fine.
Get this stuff up. I ain't got time for you and Rakaya's mess today.
Really? You so lame.
Yeah, you so lame.
Man, shut up. Y'all finna tell my mama keys right now? I'll be heading out soon as I do that.
We better take Mama's car.
It looked like it.
Yeah, bro, I'm on the way right now. You got a key.
Where you going?
And how you gonna get there?
Man, ain't it past y'all bedtime?
It's only 8 o'clock.
Man, y'all need to go to sleep right now before I tell Mama y'all playing her makeup.
Oh, fine.
Yeah, man, I'm on my way now.
Kaya, what if RJ get hurt in the car?
RJ been telling us a lot, so let's tell on him.
Oh, this I'm gonna taco salad. Got my stomach hurt. Look at that bird. Way up there.
Mom, RJ trying to sneak out.
Yeah, he's trying to take your car.
Man, anyway, don't nobody believe y'all. Go on out of there with y'all lives. Trying to use the bathroom.
But Ma, we wasn't lying.
Yeah, if you go look for yourself, you'll see it.
Alright, I'm finna get up.
Man, Mama gotta believe us.
Oh, come on here, y'all. And y'all better not be telling no stories. Because y'all known for telling stories. If he really did. Hey! What is you doing in my car? What is you doing in my car? What you doing in my car?
I had left some in here.
You ain't left nothing in my car because I've been in my car all day and you ain't, matter of fact, you ain't rode in my car the whole week. So I know you ain't left nothing in my car.
But Malaysia and Rakaya.
Malaysia and Rakaya, get out of my car. Get out of my car. Get out of my car. Like, it's been you all day long, haven't it?
Ooh, he getting in trouble.
It was Malaysia and Rakaya.
Nah, because you know what? You done took it to your advantage because you know I don't believe in Malaysia and Rakaya say. So, why was you in my car?
I had to get something. I told you.
RJ, I don't believe what you're saying. You're just like the boy who cried wolf right now. If you don't tell me the truth right now, I'm not going to believe nothing else. So, why were you in my car?
I was about to steal it.
Thanks for being honest. Don't do it no more.
That's what he get for making us do all that stuff.
Yeah, that's what he did.